So I am, my name is Prabhakar. Project title, Agriculture Data Analytics in Crop Yield Estimation using IBM Cognos. Small introduction. Agriculture is important for human survival because it serves the basic need. As well, we know fact that the major of the population, about 55% in India, is into agriculture. So due to the variations in the climatic conditions, there exist bottlenecks for increasing the crop production in India. It has become challenging task to achieve the desired targets in agri-based crop yield. Various factors are to be considered which have direct impact on the productivity of the crop. So the crop yield prediction is one of the important factor in agriculture practices. Farmers need information regarding the crop yield before sowing seeds in their fields to achieve enhanced crop yields. The use of this technology in agriculture has increased in recent year, and data analytics is such trend that has penetrated into the agriculture field. The main challenge in using the data in agriculture is identification of effectiveness of the data analytics. Efforts are going on to understand how data analytics can be agriculture productive. So further, the present project on the crop production in India is one of the important outcomes of the outsources of income, and India is one of the top countries to produce crops. As per this project, we will be analyzing some important visualization, creating dashboards, and by going through these, we will get most of the incentives of the crop production in India. So this is the small introduction, and also observe the literature review. So in literature also different methodologies used for the data analysis like big data analysis, data analytics, next to some of the other machine learning tools also used. So your project flow. In this project flow, we have considered some of the important here objectives. Here are the solution requirements. So IBM Cognos software required. Next to project objectives are here considered. So main project objectives here seasons with the average production and with year usage of area in production. Top 10 stages with most area. States with the crop production. States with the crop production along with the season. So these are the main objectives used for data visualization. So for this, we need IBM Cloud account, and we have to log into the Cognos Analytics, and we have to download the data sets, required data sets, and understand the data set and loading the data set. So I am considered this data set from the data.gov.in and APY data set observed, and this data set has state names, district names, crop, year, season, area, and production of the crops. And this data set is uploaded into the IBM Cognos Analytics and created the dashboards and drag these items into the dashboard, and I observe the column graphs as well as the pie chart graphs. So first object is seasons with the average productions. So as production of the crops depends upon the different seasons. So we have to visualize the production with respect to the different seasons. So for that, consider the here seasons and average production into the dashboard, and the visualization graph column graph observed here. And next one is similarly observe the pie chart with respect to the production by season, and observe the season with respect to the average production. In winter season, we observe the total average value 71826.42 is maximum value, and over here also average production observed. So in summary, in winter season maximum value is given, and in Rabi season minimum value is observed. Next, objective 2 is with years usage of area and the production. So in our data sets, we have also observed the column sets as well as the production and the area. So these items are dragged into the dashboard of the IBM window and observe the column graph. So these are the column graphs here with respect to the year, increasing the year from the 1997 to the 2014, and observe the values. So your crop year 1997 values are blue colorly indicated. These are observed the minimum values, and maximum values are observed in the year of 2011 in the area and production. And their pie charts also observed with respect to the pie chart graphs. Next one is third objective is top 10 state with the most area. Most area area components are considered, and in that area components again consider the most areas, least areas. So in most area considered, and created column graphs between the area and the state names. So top 10 states are considered here, and maximum value observed in the Punjab, that is 39938.73. Minimum value observed Uttar Pradesh 13019.62. So there pie chart graphs. Next, fourth objective is states with the crop production. Here all states considered and the crop production considered, and visualization graph is observed between the states and yeah, production. So here maximum production observed in the Kerala state, that is 24451.673, and minimum value observed in the Chandigarh, that is 718.61. There pie chart graph visualizations. Next, there by production values. Next, the fifth one is objective is shares with the crop production along with the seasons. So here also column graph plotted between the production seasons as well as the state names. Seasons, different seasons: autumn, kharif, rabi, summer, winter, and whole area. So here season indicated here. Autumn season blue colorly indicated, and kharif season black and white colors indicated, rabi season green color indicated, and summer season black and white again. The whole year indicated in red color, and blue winter season indicated in blue, and their corresponding pie visualizations of all the states. Now conclusion. So whatever 5 objectives are considered, the 5 objectives visualization graphs and column graphs are observed, and their statistics also observed, maximum and minimum values, and compared these statistics. And as a result of the penetration of this technology into the agriculture field, so there is a marginal improvement in the productivity. So the innovations have led to the new concepts like digital agriculture, smart farming, and precision agriculture, etc. So these are the references I used to complete my project. So from there, I observed and 5 objectives, visualization graphs as well as the pie chart graphs. So thank you, Anurag.